Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock LT Finance Holding. The stock gave a breakout from a long-term downtrend and now the stock is at retracement and the stock has potential to give more than 50% of returns. So it's good to go long in the stock. Now let's analyze the stock on technical basis. The stock is at the price range of 44 on listing and was on the same range for more than 1 year, and the stock started moving higher and the stock came to the same level on retracement at 2016. After a good shot of retracement, the stock started moving higher and reached the price range of 190. It's almost a 277% return within a matter of 2 years. So the stock is currently ready to give a opportunity to go long, and now the stock currently trading below the previous 52 week high. So for long term, take entry only above the previous 52 week high so that you will get a safe bet in the stock, and the stock is very bullish, so taking for short term is also fine. So now let's move to the weekly chart. Before moving to the weekly chart, you join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description. In that group, you can ask your doubts regarding the stock or any other concepts regarding share market. So now let's analyze the stock on weekly basis. The stock on weekly basis gave a breakout from a long term range and now the stock is very good to go long because the stock was out of the range. Look at the range here. The stock gave a breakout and took a retracement and now struggling a bit here. So it's a short term fluctuation, but for long term it's very good to go long in the stock. So take entry above the price range of 108. 108 could be a major resistance for the stock. The next resistance is around 121. So these are the major resistance that could pull down the stock. So taking entry above those prices are very fine, or taking entry at current market price for long term is also fine. This company has good business and the stock is also reflecting the same, so it's good to go long in the stock. So one can expect a good up move and a retracement and a uptrend in the stock. So the stock is very good for going long. So let me use the Fibonacci retracement tool to analyze the retracement point. So retracement is fine, it's at 0.618 retracement and now it's struggling at the price at 0.786 level. So once the breakout of that level will trigger the price to move higher to the price range of 155. The 155 price range is very easy for the stock. Actually the momentum is very good, so one can add the stock to your wish list and focus on it. So now let's move to the daily chart to analyze the price target and entry in the stock. So let me draw the major resistance acting right now. So this could be a major angular resistance acting in the stock. So the stock is struggling to move higher from this angular resistance. So taking entry above the price range of 100 will give you a target of 110, which is almost a 12% upside from the price of entry. So it's a easy target and the stock looks bullish, so one need not to fear about the stock after buying. The stock is also forming a descending triangle, so be a bit cautious in the stock because sometimes the descending triangle will give a negative return, so be cautious before taking trade. But the stock is trading near the resistance for more than 1 month, so it's bullish right now. So for short term, take entry above the price range of 100 and expect the price range of 110 as a target. For long term, take all time high as a target. For medium term, take entry above the price range of 115, or you can take at current market price also, it's fine. But for medium term, you can expect the target of 145, which is almost 50% upside from the current market price. And for safer bet, one can expect the 26% upside from the 115 price range, and taking current market price as a entry is also fine, and both can take 145 as a target, which can give more than 25% return. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you.